So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashwal, and it's been really long since I've made a video for you guys, and I'm back on track. So today I'm on my way to the Grande showroom in Marthali, which is basically an Aprilia's showroom. You have superbikes, Vespas, and all the Aprilia scooters as well. So if you guys are interested, you can definitely check it out. The location and the details be there. So today I'm on my way to get have a look of the RSV4 factory, which is the 2021 version, and I've made a 2020 version of this bike earlier as a demo video. You can check it out, and this is the 2021 version, and we have the crane ready, and this is the showroom. So let me go inside, put my bag, get the setup done, and then I'll be showing you guys. So I will be unboxing it, unloading it, all that process will be done. And this is how, guys, this is how the superbikes get delivered to their location, and they unload it from the truck and they put it down. So see, these bikes are around 24 to 25 lakhs of ex-showroom price, and on road it costs you around 28 to 30 lakhs. So just for precaution case, we have to it comes in a really good casing like this, so it's completely packed in a box. And this bike weighs around 202 kgs approximately, so it's lightweight as well, because it's a racing bike. Obviously it has to be a good aerodynamic design with lightweight as well. And this is basically a 1099cc, and this specific bike which you are seeing right now is the Aprilia Black. You have two variants, Aprilia Black as well as the Lava Red. So Lava Red is more of matte blue and red edition. This is the Aprilia Black, which is black and red edition. So this is how it comes, guys, in a box. So I'll be showing you guys once you open how it's packed, how it comes. And in case the customer wants it to be delivered, the showroom makes sure that they do all the testing, makes it perfect to ride on street, and then they deliver it to you. So this is how it, guys, comes. So you have it completely wrapped in plastic, so that in case while unloading and offloading, that nothing happens to the bike or any scratches. It's completely wrapped and packed. So once the box is off, let's actually see if there's major difference or it's still the same bodywork. And so it completely gets fixed in this frame. As you guys can see, it's locked completely, so it's very sturdy. And majorly, even though plastic is on, it's still translucent, and I can see that it's almost looks similar to the 2020 version. Maybe a minor tweak here and there. And I heard that the TFT display is a little enhanced in this specific model. And basically this is a 4-cylinder engine, like I said, 1099cc, and it basically, the gear shifting watts says 1 down 5 up, similar, and it has a 17.9 liters of tank capacity, and it has a total speed of 305 kilometers per hour. And like I mentioned, its ex-showroom price is around 24 lakhs to 25 lakhs ex-showroom, and on road you might get it depending on the taxes, and depends on which state, how much is the registration cost and all that. So it also has multiple features, like it has the odometer, which is digital, which I said, the TFT screen. It has mobile app connectivities, the DRLs, GPS navigation, USB charging port, and all such extra features. So all of that will be displayed in the TFT display itself. And if in case you guys are interested to get your hands on this Aprilia bike and you want to purchase it, you can definitely come down to the showroom, and the address and the location and even the contact details will be mentioned in the description below. You can check it out. And also and in case you're interested to get Vespas or any Aprilia scooters, you can still come down to the showroom and check it out. All the scooters, all the models are available. So also, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay tuned, because I'll be posting a couple of videos every week, so that you guys are just for you guys. So that's it, guys, that's it from my end. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.